This is a 2007 Lexus IS250 with 87,000 miles. Very fun car to drive, in wonderful condition. You'll be lucky to find a door ding on this thing. Very, very clean. Needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Every one of our vehicles gets a 125-point pre-owned inspection. It will need nothing. Perfect car for student. Moonroof. HID lights, cornering lights. Leather seats are like new. Heated and air-conditioned seats, 87,000 miles. Push-button start, 2 sets of keys. Paddle shifting, makes it very fun to drive. Moonroof. Power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise, power seats. No lip stains or wear marks on the leather. Just a very, very clean car. So this is a 2007 Lexus IS250. Needs absolutely nothing. Very fun car.